We've walked you through some of the most terrifying scenarios on Earth: natural disasters, terrorist attacks, and countless other deadly dangers. You've realized that there are a few basic skills every survivor should know when they're alone fighting the odds. Today, we're going to expand on them. We'll share with you the essential skills you should learn when everything goes wrong. Ready? How to Survive presents the top 5 basic survival skills. Look at your surroundings. You're only a small disaster or accident away from a life-threatening situation out in the wild. Some know-how and a few simple tools can make the difference between life and death. How can a garbage bag save your life? How can you use your saliva to fish? And how can you find water when you're stuck in the middle of nowhere? We will walk you through the 5 most essential skills you'll need to survive in the wild. But surviving online threats requires a completely different set of skills. Fortunately for you, NordVPN has all of them in one service. Playing games, surfing the web, and searching for the most incredible survival stories worldwide can expose your sensitive data, such as your credit card or private information, to hackers and cybercriminals. That's why we use NordVPN. It double encrypts your data and protects it from breaches or hacks with a single click. And if you activate the Auto Connect feature, you'll always be protected. One NordVPN account gives you protection on up to 6 devices, and it works with all major platforms such as macOS, iOS, Android, Android TV, Windows, even Linux. With over 5,300 servers in 60 countries, you'll bypass any location restrictions for content or platforms not supported in your region. Plus, it's the fastest VPN in the world, confirmed by speed tests. NordVPN will not only give you access to platforms and services not available in your region, but you will be able to access discounts on games and content in different regions. Don't let your location define what you can watch, play, or learn. Don't let cybercriminals steal your data and your money. A secure, reliable, and fast VPN is the ultimate tool you need to survive the online jungle out there. Yes, you'll be fully protected to browse your favorite content no matter where you are or who's trying to steal your data. Go to NordVPN/HowToSurvive to get the 2-year plan with an exclusive deal plus 1 month free. It's risk-free with NordVPN's 30-day money-back guarantee. But now you have to survive alone in the wild with just your creativity and a couple of basic tools. A tip? You'll need a small piece of rope to get food. Number 5. Start a fire. Starting a fire is one of the most essential skills you need when you go into the wild. It will help you keep your food and water safe, stay warm, and draw wild predators away. Create a fire pit by digging about 30 centimeters into the ground. Place the wood you have collected in the shape of a teepee. To light this, you will need to rub 2 thin, dry pieces of wood together until they produce an ember. Place this on some kindling. Blow gently to increase the intensity of the fire, and move it to your pit. Number 4. Build a shelter. If you can't find your way home, you will need to build a shelter. Find a stable natural structure, such as trees or rocks. Place logs against it at a 45-degree angle. Then cover the gaps between them. If you don't have a tarp, use leaves or debris to fill the gaps. And remember to place your shelter at least 3 meters away from the fire. Number 3. Watch what you eat. The safest way to find food is to stick to fruits, plants, and insects. Insects may not be the most tempting thing, but they are a great source of protein. Avoid any that are brightly colored, furry, or found in carcasses. Those may be poisonous. You're better off sticking to grasshoppers, ants, and earthworms. Don't forget to cook them first. Yummy. Steer clear of mushrooms and berries. Sure, there are varieties that are safe, but just as many can make you sick. Number 2. Go hunting. If you're near a shallow body of water, you can try the spit fishing technique. It consists of, well, spitting on the surface of the water. Your spit will attract fish, and you'll have a chance to catch them with a net or your hands. You should always cook fish, as they may contain dangerous parasites. If fish, insects, or vegetation isn't available, setting a bunch of traps would be another option. The easiest way to do this is to use wire or rope. Tie a knot that can slip and catch the prey. Wrap it around a sharp tree branch that you can nail firmly into the ground and place it near the foot of a tree. Trapping small game this way could save you a lot of vital energy. Number 1. Get water. Hydrating is the most important thing you should do. If you're near a lake or river, great. But if you're not, you'll find out that a container and a tarp or garbage bag can save your life. A solar still will allow you to collect condensation. Dig a hole about 45 centimeters wide and 15 centimeters deep. Place a container in the center and surround it with leaves or grass. Place the plastic sheet over the hole and seal the sides with rocks and soil. Place a small rock in the center of the plastic sheet to incline it over the container. The heat from the sunlight will cause the moisture in the soil to condense, and you will be able to collect about a half a liter of water per day. Cheers! Now you can survive alone in the wild. But what if you're attacked by some of the world's most aggressive animals? And guess what? The most dangerous of them isn't even a carnivore. You'll need to watch the next episode to stay safe, here on How to Survive.